He laid aside his glory before he laid aside his garments. Before the towel, there was the throne. Before the basin, there was heaven's praise. And yet he came down, not coerced, not confused, not lacking power. He stripped himself, not of divinity, but of visible glory, so he would walk among his creation without crushing them by his holiness. In the upper room, he does again what he had already done in eternity. He rises, he removes his outer garment, he kneels. The hands that formed galaxies wash the feet that would run away. And yes, the feet that would betray him. Love does not wait for worthiness, but love does not surrender authority. He washed Judas's feet, not because betrayal was acceptable, but because love was still offered before judgment fell. And then he went further, to the cross. Not ignorant of the nails, not surprised by the crowd, not unaware of the voices shouting for his death. He knew them all, and still he went. This is not permissive love. This is redeeming love. Permissive love says, stay as you are. Redeeming love says, follow me through death into life. He was stripped so we could be clothed. He was lifted up so we could be raised. But hear this. No one wears Christ who refuses his rule. He will wash your feet. He will bear your sin. But he will not bow to your definition of love. The cross stands unmoved. Choose this day. Will you rule God in your image, or will you bow to the King who stripped himself to save you?